Welcome back to the channel. Many people wants to know what you should keep inside the trunk, and today I'm gonna show you that right away. As I open this, you see I have kept this kind of organizer. When I'm not traveling or I don't have much of luggage, I unpack that completely. I'm talking about the organizer. This organizer link will be in the description. You can purchase that if you want or if you like it. This is the duster to clean up my car. Check this out. This is the car dusters, and the best thing about this dusters is you do not have to wash it for next couple of years once you purchase it. Basically, you can use this for everyday use and it works really good. I really like this particular product right here. In my first box, I have what I have here. I have a AC vent cleaner. I have a couple of them just in case I need it. So this is my car perfume, the spray perfume, what I normally use it. I don't use that sticky perfumes which I have to stick on the dashboard. I do not like that at all. So I prefer this Oud perfume. I have done this video as well with the AC vent cleaner. If you want to check that, you can check the I button up above to check both of the products. I keep this as an emergency deodorants. I keep a couple of them whenever you never know that when you will need it. There is this sunglasses, what I normally use. Not really I use it much, but this is just for the emergency again. I have one paper bag and one normal cloth shopping bag. So that is also it's really helpful whenever you out for shopping or something, you really need that. So I keep that as well. And foremost, I always keep this silica gel. I do not throw away, even though it's written throw away. I do not throw that because it's really helpful. It does not let things moistures, and also it does not make anything smell bad. So this is really helpful. You should at least keep one in your trunk, right? I have one couple of pockets over here as well, and over there at the back. I'll show you the front one. What I have here, I have a scrubber to clean my interior of the car if I need to. It's completely non-scratchable. It won't scratch your plastic inside the car. I have made the video for that as well. You can check the I button up here and you can see this video how I use it. This is my car tire dresser. Whenever I completely wash my car and I have to clean my tires as well, I use that. You can also get that. There is whole pack of there is whole package, you can say, for the 3M car care, which gives you 5 items, which includes shampoo, car dresser, the dashboard dresser, tire dresser, and microfiber cloth, and so on. So you can also check that. I'll give you the link in the description. You can buy that if you want to. This is my leather seats cleaner. You can also clean fabric seats with that as well. So if I have left with any I buttons, you can see up here if there is any. You can check that. All right, so this is the premium liquid wax, what I normally use every month. So every month I wash my car myself, and then I use this liquid wax at the end when everything is cleared out. So it gives you good shiny polish on your car, right? So here you will get a good polish on the exterior paint when you use this. This includes in this this package itself. It comes with that. So yeah, and even this one, car wash shampoo, this is really good and genuine. You can use a loofah if you have inside the house or in the car. You can purchase that from anywhere. You can use that loofah and clean this with the car wash shampoo. And I have this soapy water. When I use this for my punctures normally, but I also use it if I want to clean something from the interior. If there are hard stains which does not remove easily, I use that with that scrubber. So that's also really helpful for sure. In my next pocket, what I have here is one microfiber cloth. I have an emergency sanitizer. Even though I have a sanitizer in my car, but I keep it for emergency uses. I have tissues. This tissues also, I have one inside my car, but I still use this for an emergency. This whole trunk, what you see, the organizer part, it's all my emergency use products, and it really helped me, guys. It really helps me. And yeah, for the most important part is the garbage bags, guys. Don't litter anywhere. If you are, you know, eating something in the car or drinking something in it, don't just throw off. Please use this. You know, going out for travel or you know, road trip or a small ride, long drive or something, and if you feel like eating something in the car, you use this, and once it's done, you can just throw it. So this is also a really important thing what you should normally keep in the car, rather than you know, mess up our road and throws anything, littering anything on the road. So this will really help you guys. Please keep that. The wet wipes, the baby wipes, what I normally use, also for my face, and whatever flavor you like, you can keep it in the car. It's really helpful. Again, very good product. And this one, what is this? You must be wondering, what the hell is this? But this is a shoe cover. So whenever I'm going somewhere where I don't want my shoe to be dirty, then I wear that and I just dispose off. So that way I don't take mud inside my car. My mats are always clean. I mean, it stays always clean. So it's really helpful. Keep a couple of pairs for emergency uses. Also an emergency mask I have here. Even though we wear our normal mask every day, but surgical mask is something which is in emergency, when you have forgotten your mask at your place, or you have forgotten somewhere else where you have gone. This will really be helpful in this kind of days, you know. And also a small tissue packet for an extra emergency, for hand wipes and everything. So yeah, that was it for the second one. And yeah, here I am keeping a couple of face shields. This is also really important. Somewhere it's mandatory. In few places, of course, it's mandatory, not everywhere. But if you will wear this, it will be an extra one step ahead protection what you will get from this COVID times, you know. And I'm sure if you are my subscriber, then you will know what is this tire inflator, what I normally use. I have also made the video. If there is a I button left, please check the I button to see how that is usable for your car. So that is really good as well. A puncture kit is also really important. Sometimes, you know, I have a puncture already and I've changed the spare tires. And then again, the best part in the Honda City is that spare tire is also the same size of the normal 4 tires. It's not a baby tire what you get in the Honda City. So that's really good part. So sometimes, you know, there is a puncture in my car and I'll just change the spare tires, and even the spare tire is punctured, and what if the second tire also gets punctured? This will help you when you're traveling somewhere. So puncture kit is really important for your tubeless tires. That will really save your life someday. You will remember me. Keep that in the car. I'm telling you this. I really highly recommend you to keep this puncture kit in your car. You don't know whenever it will be helpful for you. This packet I have, this covers all my car papers, the PUCs, the insurance papers, the car papers and everything, and all duplicate copies I have inside this, plus the original. So I'm double secured, you can say, while keeping this in the car. The best thing is I keep this whole organizer here, and even with the papers at least. Why? Because I don't want to keep everything inside my car. I don't want to, you know, gather stuff around inside my car. I want my car clean, not even the cup holders, the armrest, the glove box. I want to keep everything clean. I only use the glove box for my wallet maybe, or an emergency hammer. Only for the emergency hammer I keep that inside my car in the glove box. I'll show you right away. So I'll just show you this, what I have on that side as well, so you know. Okay, so this is the 3M air conditioner cleaner. So if I have a I button left, you can check up above this video. That's really helpful as well to compare it with the Vista. So this is the Vista AC vent, what I have done video for, and also for the 3M. So you will know what will fits you best. So just an overview that this will give you a good aromatic smell. Keep your car smell good for a longer time, where here in the 3M it will give you a lemony flavor. What I've done video for, you can check the whole video on my channel as well. That's really good. And this one, what I have here is the anti-fog liquid. Why I keep that? Because many of the time when I go in the morning, early morning, when I step out of my home and take the car, you will see that there are so much fog on the windshields and the glasses and everything. So this is really helpful at that point of time. In the rainy season, these things will help you. Clear view rain repellent, really good product as well. It will drip down every liquid part, you know, so it will not stay when it's raining or high muddy liquid is on your mirror, or sorry, the glass. Then it will just drip it down and give you a better view when you drive. So that's also good. And the last thing over here is this screen wash. Screen wash is for your wipers. So you can put this liquid with your normal liquid, the wiper water what you have inside the engine, and that will be really helpful for you for sure. It gives you a soapy water and then it cleans really good. So I will just go ahead, go forward, go in the front, and then I'll show you how you can do that. So first I'll just show you, I'll get inside the car. I'll just show you what all things I keep inside. So inside, if you come inside, then only thing I keep is, see, my cup holders and everything is empty, right? I have no storage and everything. So you will see my glove box. Even my glove box has, what do you have? The straw. Okay, leave that. Let's leave the straw. Okay, this thing, I got this with the car, the Honda car. This is an emergency hammer. This emergency hammer is really helpful because I'm driving an automatic car, and if my doors gets locked in an emergency situation, I do not have a sunroof access as well, for example, and I'm not able to get outside the car. Even I have my my seat belt is locked and I'm not able to open that. This will help you. So this thing, this is the knife cutter, which with this help you can basically cut your seat belts if you are stuck inside it. This part is for your sunroof. So with this part you can open the sunroof like so, and you can, you know, do that, and you can get out of the car very easily. And of course with this as well, with this mirror I will use the pointed one, and where I will do it in the corners. So if you're stuck inside the car, don't do it in the between, do it in the corner, 4 corners, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and you will be out really easily. So that will be really helpful for you if you are stuck inside the car. So yes, that's also really important. So this is something I cannot keep inside my trunk. I have to keep it in my glove box so that I am safe all the time, because if I leave that in the trunk, I cannot fold that back seats, you know. Let me just show you. Okay, back seats won't be closed foldable in this car. If there is an SUV or you have a hatchback, you will be able to fold that. So in others, there are few sedans as well who will fold that, but in this car it's not foldable. So if I keep that inside my trunk, then it won't be useful for me. So it's very important that I keep that inside my glove box. So this is really good. As you can see, it's almost night time, and see this ambience. The lights, the map lights and the reading lights are on, and it focuses on the passengers. So this is also really good part in this car. In the night, when you turn on these switches, lights, it will give you a really good a view. It's really impressive. See that? Off, on. Completely focuses on your passengers so that they can read or you know they can read their books or novels, whatever they like to. So that's really good part as well. And I'll just show you the last thing. I'll show you in my engine that where you exactly have to put that liquid, the screen wash liquid, what I just showed you before. So I'll just open my hood. Let's go out. Let me just open that for you. Okay. All right, so this blue thing, every car has the same thing. So you have to just look for this icon and you have to open it, fill it with water, keep a little bit empty, not completely, little bit space for that liquid. Just drop in one 50 ml or something. It's more than enough, and it will wash your screen really nicely. So that's also a really good part, what you will see when you use that. So yeah guys, it's time to wrap up. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm just going to get something from outside, so I'll just head over. All right, so if you have liked this video, please subscribe to the channel. Please give a thumbs up to my video if you have liked this, and if it was at least helpful. Okay, my boot is open. I've just locked that. Okay, anyway, so if you have liked this video, please give a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel, and please share this video to as many people possible, so they know how to get organized in the car. So it will be really helpful for those who are you know, a little bit organized, you can say, or even though they are organized, they will have a little bit better idea that how to exactly organize themselves and what all things you should keep in the car for the emergency use. So that will be really helpful for them as well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching for this video. If you have another topic to discuss, please type down in the comment. I'll be more than happy to help you with that as well. Thank you so much again, and see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.